When you think of home security, what comes to mind? The peephole, the chain lock, maybe the classic stark warning. But you were probably thinking a bit more high-tech. Introducing Eufy EverCam, the first of its kind home security system that gives you everything you want with none of the hassles. No need for wires and no need to deal with frequent battery changes. 365 days of battery life. We partnered with Anker to put their most advanced battery technology inside the EverCam, and by using a low-frequency transmission signal to stay connected on standby mode, saving energy by up to 70%. EverCam will keep on working for up to a year without needing to be recharged. With the adjustable ball-shaped mount, EverCam can be positioned and repositioned. Use either the single screw mounting base or skip the mounting hardware. The magnetic 1080p HD camera will just stick to all kinds of metal surfaces. Bam. EverCam withstands temperature changes and moisture, so you really can put it just about anywhere. Motion triggered and Wi-Fi connected, EverCam sends you a notification when someone's at the door or someone's on the sofa. Even when someone is raiding the fridge, the artificial intelligence uses a three-phase system to ensure you see what you want to see and ignore what you don't. Step 1, it's able to screen out movement that doesn't have a heat signature using an infrared sensor. Step 2, it detects human body shapes in various positions. And Step 3, facial recognition technology allows EverCam to recognize faces of people you want to give clearance to or keep a closer eye on. So just set your preferences to send an alert when it matters and ignore it when it doesn't. Oh yeah, and it has two-way audio. Brian, step away from the pizza. We are the first to put an SD card into a home base, securely storing 60 days of footage locally. No need to go to the cloud. No upcharges or monthly contracts. We have a great team of top engineers, software developers, AI experts, and we are working with industry-leading manufacturers to make all this happen. We've built an amazing system that's ready to go right out of the box. Easy to set up yourself without compromising security, but we need your help to take what we have and get it to market. No one else is offering a wireless camera with a year of battery life, and EverCam just keeps getting better by the day. There are a ton of other great features, so make sure you check out all the stuff on our campaign page. We have suppliers in place, the prototype is done. All we need is your support.
This is Count, a smart projector that gives your small screen a bigger canvas. Now your favorite apps are no longer stuck on your phone. Count uses your camera phone to scan the surface area of the projected space. This allows it to follow your motions and interact with the environment in a whole new way. Count gives your phone more accessibility. It allows you to project your screen anywhere and make it as large as you want while reducing the eye strain caused by looking at a phone or tablet screen. Count also works with content creators to support augmented reality games and apps that both educate and entertain. Including African Animals The Match. It allows kids to summon animals to their table, interact with them, and learn about them. With nature videos showing how they live in their natural habitat. The 180-degree rotation allows you to clone or extend your display to create a perfect image. is also a great asset for business presentations and video conferencing. Count brings futuristic functionality to any space, allowing you to utilize and enjoy your applications in a whole new way. Support our Kickstarter campaign to help us bring Count into your home.
Imagine a high-speed camera you can actually afford and fits in the palm of your hand. Hi, my name is David Kronstein. I always thought high-speed imaging should be easier. Traditional high-speed cameras are expensive and difficult to use. I knew there was a better way, so I set out to create Chronos 1.4. I began with a standard def version in 2007 and worked up to the current 1500 frame per second HD camera. My passion for slow motion began after seeing the amazingly cool things Mythbusters were doing. As an electrical engineering student, I couldn't afford a real high-speed camera, so I set out to build my own. Check out some of the amazing shots you can capture on this camera. Taking video is super easy. Point, shoot, and save. Video files are saved to removable storage, ready to play or drop into any video editor. The camera features a convenient jog wheel for playback control. Throw the camera in your bag and take high-speed shots anywhere. We all hate internal batteries, so the Chronos uses standard Nikon batteries that are field swappable. A unique run-and-gun record mode allows you to take bursts of high-speed video and continue shooting while shots are automatically saved to card. The camera also features a global shutter CMOS sensor, capturing these beautiful shots taken out in the wilderness. With your support, we can change the landscape of high-speed video. Our prototypes are working flawlessly. In fact, this entire video was shot on the Chronos 1.4. We're ready for production, but we need your help to get the volumes up to get costs down. That's where you come in. Whether you get a small reward or get a whole camera, you help bring accessible high-speed imaging to everyone. You can also help by sharing this project on social media with your friends. I hope you like this project. Thanks for watching.
Cut!
Tennis is one of the greatest sports of all time. The feeling you get when you hit that perfect shot or kick serve down the line is indescribable. Perfecting these shots takes countless hours of practice, and with that comes the inevitable chore of picking up hundreds of tennis balls scattered all over the court. Players and coaches everywhere know the frustration and tediousness that goes into collecting balls during a practice session. And this is why we invented Tenabot. Tenabot is the world's first robotic ball collector. Tenabot perfectly integrates computer vision and artificial intelligence to detect tennis balls on the court and collect them for players. You can let Tenabot work autonomously using the station that easily attaches to the net post, or use Tenabot's app to customize where on the court the device will clear. Tenabot easily syncs to your phone and even your Apple Watch to make activation quick and seamless. The app also keeps track of how many balls are collected during a session and how often you practice. So feel free to brag to your friends about how you're stepping up your game while never having to pick up another tennis ball. Tenabot was designed with convenience in mind. The removable bucket holds up to 80 balls and lets you easily continue your hitting session after Tenabot has cleared the court. The battery takes only 90 minutes to charge and runs for 4 to 5 hours. Its portable design lets you pick up Tenabot and wheel it on and off the court, just like a suitcase. And when you're done, Tenabot's compact size makes it easy to fit in the trunk of your car. So, instead of picking up balls, players can relax, hydrate, or just keep playing.
We have created multiple prototypes of Tenabot and performed thousands of tests to come up with the perfect training partner. With Tennisbot's patented design and advanced algorithms, we can make tennis more convenient for players at all levels.
Whether you're hitting with a ball machine, volleying with a friend, or giving a lesson, Tennisbot helps you get the most out of your time on the court.
Our dream is to get more people playing tennis, having fun, and improving their shots, whether it's a forehand, backhand, or a kick serve. We have a great product, an amazing team, and we can't wait to put the Tennisbot in your hands. But we need your help. In order to start manufacturing and shipping worldwide, we need a large enough order. Together, we can kickstart this revolutionary product and take the tedious out of tennis.
Introducing the new way of brushing your teeth, something that hasn't changed in 500 years. With micro-cleaning friction power and 360-degree wrap sonic technology, the new Unibrush is 2 times more effective than regular toothbrushes and cleans 99.9% of your teeth surface. Plus, it brushes all of your teeth at once in only 6 seconds. It's easy to store, clean, and charge with the minimalist Danish-designed UV light docking station that eliminates significant cleanliness flaws with today's toothbrushes. The Unibrush has earned numerous awards worldwide, including the most innovative product by Microsoft. It's the world's first anti-cavity toothbrush that combines an ergonomic mouthpiece, patent-pending 360-degree wrapping unifoam, and pulsing sonic vibrations that deliver a refreshing clean to your mouth, teeth, and gums, unlike anything you've ever experienced.
We have a mission. We want to make good oral hygiene easy and accessible for everyone, and we want you to help us.
This is Unibrush,
a solution that cleans all the teeth simultaneously using our specially developed 360-degree wrapping unifoam, a patent-pending oral care technology that forms to every tooth and is proven to be more effective at cleaning teeth while protecting gum health. This means you don't have to brush for 120 seconds, but instead, just 6. To clean the teeth, Unibrush uses Unifoam, our patent-pending medical-grade sponge-like material developed through extensive R&D. Unifoam is embedded with micro-ridges coated in a crisscross pattern to create micro-cleaning friction. This way, bacteria and plaque are removed, leaving you with a clean mouth and fresh feeling. You'll store Unibrush in the docking station that is designed in Denmark. It works as a charging station, but also sterilizes the Unibrush using UV light. For the design, we were inspired by famous Danish architects and NASA-shaped technology. Altogether, Unibrush combines a stunning appearance on the outside with advanced patent-pending technology on the inside. Unibrush arrives as a complete kit with a 1-year warranty to ensure your 100% satisfaction. We paired Unifoam with sonic vibrations and fluid wave technology that work together to flow toothpaste between each and every tooth and below the gum line, getting into places a manual toothbrush can't reach.
Thank you for watching. Now let's change the world for the better.